We'll demonstrate cast-on stitch. Come up at top end of line, then take down at end of line, and vertically push needle up. Here must be close to exit point. Push needle upward. Then find another needle of same length. Close to threaded needle. Push upward. Push both needles to same length, especially needle tips. Best to push them parallel. Then take thread. Here can use thumb to help. Wrap one loop around thumb. Let it form crossed loop. Then pinch crossed position. Put loop onto needles. Pull thread. Note must put onto both needles simultaneously. Demonstrate again. Wrap a loop on thumb. Let it form crossed state. Then pinch crossing point. Put it into both needles. Pull thread. Here will form a loop. Demonstrate again. Wrap a loop on thumb. Press crossing point. Put into both needles. Pull thread. After putting on, use finger to adjust. Let them arrange tightly. Following this method, wrap layer by layer. Let it form three-dimensional effect. After finishing loops, we use finger to adjust. Let them arrange tightly together. If not convenient to loop, can place finger below needle. Lift needle up. This way, convenient for looping. We need to loop until top loops are slightly longer than drawn line below. Slightly longer is fine. Here I looped 15 times. Looks slightly longer than line below. Loop to here is fine. Then use finger to press looped threads. First, pull out unthreaded needle. Also, press looped threads tightly. Push needle upward. Pull thread upward. Loops roll toward our body direction. Pull thread. Can use needle to adjust loops. Adjust its shape. Then take down close to exit position. Number of loops can be adjusted as needed. More loops make fabric taller, forming raised three-dimensional shape. Very suitable for making petals. I usually stitch it into rose shape. Let's see the overall finished effect.